कि आज। I hope you all are hale and hearty and follow all the safety and security measures during the lockdown. But I know friends, we always need to get propelled to stay focused and steadfast. Why to worry? Our teachers are the panacea. They have been mentoring us throughout. They are all braced up to give us the tips to keep us safe in this situation of pandemic COVID-19. So let's check it out.
Greetings to everybody. My name is Benu Sehrawat. Is it really something that big to be depressed about? Well, I would say no. Because it's completely upon us how we run our day. And it may surprise you that during this time also, I sometimes run out of time. Because the day doesn't run me. I run my day according to me. One of the most important things is that I have not altered my daily routine. Wake up time, bed time, meals time, everything is same. I avoid keep hovering over something which is out of my hands. It will only beef up the anxiety levels. Play random games with my family. Being a responsible citizen, during this time, I'm trying to make my son understand the importance of individual efforts. And now he understands that what are the things that he should do to safeguard himself. I grab a few moments for myself. I do something which makes me happy, which makes my soul smile. And that for me is singing.
नमस्कार। अपना और अपने परिवार का बचाव किस तरह से कर रही हूँ कोविड-19 से। मैं जब भी फल व सब्जियां लेती हूँ तो मैं इस बाल्टी के अंदर लेती हूँ ऐसे, और फिर इनके अंदर नमक का पानी डालकर, ये हमने कोरोना अवेयरनेस एक कॉर्नर बनाया हुआ है, यहाँ पे इनको रख देते हैं। उसके बाद फल व सब्जियों को साफ पानी से धो करके हम यहीं पर रख देते हैं। कम से कम 2 से 3 घंटे के बाद फिर हम इनको किचन में लेके जाते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, I'm Rajesh Kumar. Now it becomes necessary to sanitize our mobile phones to avoid the risk of novel coronavirus. Take two drops of sanitizer on the screen of your mobile phones and rub it with cotton to clean it. In this way, clean the whole mobile. Repeat this process twice or thrice a day. It is one of the necessary and effective steps to save ourselves from novel coronavirus.
Hello my dear students, I'm your teacher Miss Vidhi. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Well, I really miss all my lovely students. Now as you know that we all have been caged within our houses, many people are becoming victim of depression, fear, anxiety. Now the question is not how to stop that virus to enter our body, but the question is how to stop that virus to enter our mind. Let's stop feeding our mind by talking about this virus day and night. Choice is ours whether we want to be optimistic or kick ourselves into the world of darkness. See, we can't banish such negative thoughts completely, but all that we can do is to make ourselves busy. Now how can we do that? See, you can make a proper schedule, take exercise in exposure to sunlight, read some good books, cultivate a new hobby, spend quality time with your family. Let that child within us be alive. Don't kill that child. Play games like chess, ludo, carom and many more. Indulge in household chores. Converse with your near and dear ones. Update yourself. Pass on only authentic information, and for that I'm sharing WhatsApp number of WHO, that is 9013151515।
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मैं अंजू त्रिखा आप सबसे आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब घर पर ही रहकर अपने काम को सुचारू रूप से कर रहे होंगे। बेटा, लॉकडाउन के दौरान घर पर रहकर काम करना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन अपने आप को स्वस्थ रखना बहुत मुश्किल है। इसके लिए आपको सुबह जल्दी उठकर आप व्यायाम और योगा जरूर करें, जिससे आपके फेफड़े मजबूत रहें, और अपने आपके अंदर जो मतलब कि रोगों से लड़ने की क्षमता है वो बढ़े। और वैसे आपने देखा ही होगा कि इस समय नाम मात्र ही ट्रैफिक है और ट्रैफिक कम होने की वजह से चारों तरफ का वातावरण जो है वो बहुत ही स्वच्छ हो गया है। ऐसे में अगर हम सुबह जल्दी उठकर और शाम के समय आंगन या छत पर घर से बाहर नहीं जाना, व्यायाम और योगा करेंगे तो वो हमारे लिए लाभप्रद होगा।
Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. I am Jyoti, and you know, exercise is the best activity with the help of which we can stay healthy and fit. So, through this video, I will tell you how I exercise.
'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me, and someday when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you, love fun, yeah, me too, what I want.
Wow, truly inspiring. Aha, where are you going? Wait. We have some more in the road to entrance you. So let's get back.
हर वो तरीका अपनाइए जिससे आप कोविड-19 से बच सकते हैं।
Thank you. Be aware.
स्वस्थ रहो, सुखी रहो और घर पर ही रहो। नमस्कार।
Stay home, stay safe, and make the best use of these days.
Make this time productive one, constructive, and think out of the box. Thank you.
Eat healthy, do exercise on daily basis, and have this belief that very soon we'll overcome this situation. Just unlock yourself, because love is not locked down, learning is not locked down, imagining is not locked down. So don't just breathe, be alive. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, teachers. You rock. We are always ready to go extra mile, whether it is about keeping us safe or teaching us. We know you're always on your toes to make our online classes the productive one. You have transformed our little gizmos into our classroom. Thank you for everything, guys, for watching us. We'll see you soon with some more news, views, and reviews. Stay tuned to RKP Art.